Welcome to this tutorial. In this video, you'll learn how to import a Microvellum file into VORTEK Spaces. We'll show you how to quickly export your Microvellum designs so they're ready for the preparation stage before your client presentation. To export your project, open the application menu, select Export, then save your file. You'll then be prompted to choose which parts of your design you'd like to export, selecting with the mouse. At this point, you're ready to bring your project into VORTEK Spaces. Click on Add New Project. Browse to the folder where your Microvellum project is saved. Select the IGS you exported earlier, then click Open. In the Project Properties window, you can rename your project or keep the same name as the original IGS file. Click Save to confirm. Your project is now ready to be transformed with real-time visualization. Check out the other tutorials to learn how to apply materials, add 3D accessories, adjust the lighting, and finally render photorealistic pictures and walkthrough videos. Here's a tip. If you need to make changes to your Microvellum project, there's no need to start over in VORTEK Spaces. Simply update your design in Microvellum, then export the file again using the same name in the same location. This will overwrite the existing IGS file. VORTEK Spaces will automatically detect the changes and update your design while keeping all your materials, lighting, and scene customizations intact. That concludes our tutorial. Thank you for watching.